please, 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 I really need this protein now or I'm They all use histidine tag proteins and it works for them. Why doesn't it work for me? All I want is that protein so I can start working. Okay, this time then. Please. Why? Why? It should be there. Why won't you find you protein?
Don't worry, I had the same problem last year. I learned that if you have stripping agents like EDTA in the sample, they'll strip off the nickel ions and your sample won't bind. So conventional HisTrap columns won't work well. Try this.
Replace your conventional iMac media with HisTrap XL from GE Healthcare to minimize nickel leakage and feel confident to maximize the yield of pure protein, even when stripping agents are present.